Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about the benefit of international business. What are the benefit of international business? So it has been divided into two parts. First is benefit to a nation and second part is benefit to firms. We will discuss it separately. So first we are going to discuss about the benefit of international business to the nation. First benefit is earning of foreign exchange. So we know through international business we earn foreign exchange. For example, if we are exporting some goods or services, then in return foreign currency or foreign country will provide us foreign currency, and the country who is having more foreign currency is considered as good country in term of economy. Clear beta? Then second one is more efficient use of resources. So every country has some or the other natural resources. For example, country may possess mineral resources, labor resources, technological capability, etc. Every country tries to use these resources in the best possible manner, and gradually they become more efficient and specialized in using these resources than other countries. Example, Japan may produce electronic goods more efficiently than India because Japan is technically sound. On the other hand, India can produce good agricultural product as compared to Japan because India is a agricultural country. So this is the one of the benefit which provide facilities of more efficient use of resources. Clear? Here you can say optimum utilization of resources. Whatever resources is available to you can use it to its full extent. After that, improving growth prospect and employment potential. External trade boosts up economic growth of the country as the firm of developing countries increase their production capacity to supply goods in foreign countries. Company can also import technical knowledge and to utilize their resources. Increased production result in increase in GDP. GDP is gross domestic product. We know it that when we have more demand of foreign goods or in foreign country our goods are more demanded, in that case what will happen, we will produce more and more goods, and when we are producing more and more goods we also require more labor. So in this way foreign trade help us in increasing employment opportunities. Those who are still unemployed can get employment through external trade. And fourth one is increasing standard of living. In the absence of internal trade, it would not have been possible for the world community to use the goods and services produced in other countries. The people living in developing countries and underdeveloped countries can use these products and increases their standard of living. Clear? Foreign trade also help in standard of living, like we are using iPhone. If we are using iPhone, then we have good status in society. We will be considered as rich people. Why? Because we are using iPhone, and iPhone is a foreign product. Now some benefit to the firm. What are the benefits firm get through foreign trade? First is prospects for higher profit. Generally international business is more profitable than domestic business. When the prices in domestic market are low, then firm can sell at high price in international market in the countries where prices are high. Yes, generally the price in India is low, but if you want to earn more profit, then you have to export your goods and you will get good return. Then second one is increased capacity utilization. Company involved in external trade increase their production capacity With increase in production capacity, these firms can get benefit of large scale production or economies of scale and reduce the cost of production. In economics, we have studied that whenever we are producing in large quantity, then the producing cost is reduced. Why? Because fixed factors are divided into different parts. Clear, bachcho? After that, prospects for growth. When the demand for product start becoming saturated in the domestic country, then such firms can enhance their business by approaching international market. Clear? Like if there is a recession in India, then the company who have more product, then it can reach to the international market to sell their product. Clear? Way out from intense competition in the domestic market. We know that we are living in a state of competition. So if you want, if there is more competition, intense competition in the domestic market, then company can approach to the foreign market. So these were some benefit to the firm. Okay, I hope it will be clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you so much.